So if you're a service business or a coach or consultant, as I am, of course, what we want is for you to be waking up every single day with already qualified calls booked onto your calendar without you having to do cold outreach, manual follow-up, or chasing leads around. That's exactly what's possible when you combine AI tools with simple, proven frameworks. So in this training, I'll walk you through the exact system I use to help coaches and consultants book 30 or more calls every single month. And this isn't theory, it's step by step, and you'll see exactly how the pieces fit together so you can take action today. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your business into a machine that works for you 24/7. So the reality is that most coaches and consultants aren't struggling because they're bad at what they do. They're struggling because they can't get enough qualified people on calls. Leads trickle in, but they fall through the cracks. Some never even get followed up with, and others are left waiting for days before hearing back. Manual outreach eats up hours, and even then, most prospects just ghost you. The result is a business that feels like a roller coaster. Good months followed by droughts. Completely unpredictable without a system. It's impossible to scale sustainably if you don't have one. This is where AI changes the entire game. Instead of relying on you to remember every lead and send every message, AI systems can capture, follow up, and nurture prospects around the clock. They don't forget, they don't get tired, and they don't miss opportunities. Imagine every lead being contacted within seconds, warmed up with the valuable touch points, and pre-qualified before they ever hit your calendar. That's the breakthrough. It's not about doing more work. It's about letting AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on closing high quality clients. And the best part, it works while you sleep 24/7. And to make this work, you don't need 100 tools or a complicated setup. You just need 3 systems working together to capture, nurture, and book those calls. Think of it like a funnel, except it's automated and intelligent. Each system does one job, but when you combine them, you create something far, far more powerful. Let me show you how each piece works. Lead capture is the front door to your business, and most people leave that door wide open. A prospect visits your page, fills out a form, or comments on a post, and then nothing happens for hours, maybe days. By then, the lead has gone cold or booked with someone else. With AI, you eliminate that delay. A lead opts in, and within seconds, they receive a personalized call, message, or email. It's instant, professional, and builds trust right away. Lead capture isn't just about getting names and emails. It's about making a powerful first impression that sets the stage for everything else. This is where the majority of businesses completely drop the ball. They capture the leads, but then they either spam them with generic messages or they forget to follow up consistently. Nurturing is about building a relationship, and artificial intelligence makes this easier than ever. AI agents can send thoughtful follow-ups, answer questions, and share valuable resources at the perfect time. The key is consistency. Every lead feels like they're being guided, not sold to. Over the coming days or weeks, that trust compounds, and then when it's time to book a call, they're already more than confident that you're the right choice. The final piece is booking, and this is where the money's actually made. Without automation, you waste endless time going back and forth trying to find times that work. AI systems completely change that. They can pre-qualify the leads by asking key questions, making sure only serious prospects make it onto your calendar. Then they book them directly into your schedule and send reminders so no-shows plummet. By the time you hop on the call, you're speaking to someone who's already been warmed up, knows what you do, and is ready to buy. That's the difference between chasing leads and having a pipeline full of buyers. Now let's zoom out and look at how all this works together. A lead comes in, maybe from a landing page, maybe from social media DM. Instantly, the AI captures the info and sends a friendly message. Over the next few days, they receive a series of personalized touch points. Maybe an email, a text, even an answer to a question they ask. Once they're ready, the system automatically qualifies them and books them directly onto your calendar. You didn't have to lift a finger, yet the lead went from cold to closed completely on autopilot. That's the power of a complete AI client acquisition system. So now that you've seen the framework, here's your next step. You need to audit your business. Ask yourself, where are you losing your leads exactly? Is it at the capture stage? Is it in nurture? Or is it in booking? Once you know where your weakest link is, you can start fixing it. And AI makes it easier than ever. If you wanted to shortcut the process, I've put together my exact templates and workflows inside my community. The link is in the description. So now's the time to stop guessing, stop grinding, and start building a system that books you calls every single day like clockwork. And if you are interested in just having somebody implement this for you, you can book a strategy call with me where we'll take care of all of that for you. Make sure you guys like and subscribe because I have many more gems like this dropping soon.